Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I'm going to be participating in the Summer Eats Challenge that's being hosted by the following lovely ladies.
Cindy of the channel Create with Cindy, Elle of the channel Easy Living with Elle, and Sonia from the channel Multifaceted Me with SFB.
For this challenge, we are supposed to share one of our favorite summer foods. So I am going to be sharing taco salad. If you want to see how I make my taco salad, then stay tuned.
Here are the ingredients you will need for this salad. First, you will need to saute some ground beef with taco seasoning. You can use a packet or your own mix of ingredients, which should include chili powder and cumin. I also add garlic and some dehydrated onion. Then you'll want some tomatoes that have been chopped into bite-sized pieces, green onions, chopped up avocado, as well as some shredded cheese. I like to use this Mexican cheese blend that I get from Costco in these large bags. You can freeze this. Then you'll want to add something crispy. If you're keto, you can add some Quest protein chips like these or some Parmesan wisps. If you're not keto, just use tortilla chips. Then you'll want to mix all of that together and put it on a bed of lettuce. Then you'll want some kind of tangy dressing. I like to use this Drew's Chipotle Ranch dressing. And here's a look at the salad all put together. It's very quick and easy.
So do you ever make taco salad? If so, leave me a comment down below. And if you are new to my channel, why don't you hit that subscribe icon in the corner of this video or the button in the description box down below. Also, please be sure to check out the channels of our 3 hosts as well as the playlist, which I'll have linked in the box down below. I want to thank all of you for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.